Do you consume eggs on a daily basis? What benefit do they provide? Which eggs are the most useful? Watch the entire video to find out which eggs to eat and how many to consume per day. Chicken eggs are a useful, easy to prepare, and nutritionally rich product. They do, however, have both admirers and detractors. Whatever people say about this product, chicken eggs include easily digestible proteins and lipids, as well as vitamins and minerals. As a result, we may agree with scientists who regard them as incredibly helpful, if not vital, goods. Just 2 eggs every day boosts the body's activity, improves overall well-being, and stimulates hematopoiesis and immunity. What is the safest way to cook eggs? Residents of many countries eat 2 eggs for breakfast, though in a different form. Some cook them until half-cooked, others hard-boiled. Others make an omelette and 4th scrambled eggs. All these ways of eating eggs can be said to be equivalent in nutritional value. However, undercooked eggs can be dangerous if they contain salmonella, causative agents of intestinal infections, and during frying eggs in a pan, bacteria can be preserved. The safest is to eat boiled eggs that have been boiled in water for at least 10 minutes. However, if there is the confidence that the eggs do not contain salmonella, then they can be consumed in any form, even drink raw or make eggnog, whipped with a little salt. What is the difference between homemade and store-bought eggs? In terms of the presence of nutrients and nutrients, eggs are both approximately the same. The taste of eggs is largely determined by the nutrition that chickens receive and their lifestyle. Of course, eggs from domestic chickens win in this regard, because their food is much more varied and they walk along the street and see the grass and the sun, which cannot be said about those birds that live in cages on poultry farms. Also, factory-made eggs may contain antibiotics and hormones that are added to compound feed so that the birds do not get sick. So do with domestic chickens, not a single owner will. Eggs from domestic chickens do not contain these additives. If a bird gets sick, then it is isolated from others, or it is slaughtered, but the drugs are not given to the entire population. Thus, of course, homemade eggs are tastier and do not contain any impurities, but in their basic composition, both eggs are the same. How will the consumption of eggs in the daily diet affect the body? Getting every day a product rich in vitamins, healthy fats, and easily digestible protein will have the following effects on the human body. 1. Mental abilities will increase because choline is present in eggs, which is necessary for brain cells. 2. Due to vitamin B9 or folic acid, hematopoiesis will improve, and during pregnancy, B9 will have a positive effect on the development of the fetus and the condition of the expectant mother. 3. Lutein will not let your eyesight deteriorate, it will remain sharp and clear. 4. Vitamin D will have a general strengthening effect on the entire body, increase bone density, and prevent caries from developing. 5. The presence of B vitamins will have a positive effect on the nervous system, and irritability and nervousness will go away. The cholesterol included in the composition will have the necessary effect on the metabolism of fats, and will help increase the concentration of good cholesterol, which helps to resist atherosclerosis. 7. Vitamin E will maintain the radiance of the skin and prevent the formation of 346 folliculitis, that is, acne. 8. Easily digestible protein will help not to lose muscle mass. 9. The body will increase the energy potential and actively be able to resist chronic inflammation, oncology, and aging. Eating 2 eggs daily reduces the risk of developing diseases of the cardiovascular system, and diabetes helps build muscle mass, helps lower blood pressure, and resists the formation of serious metabolic disorders. Scientists from China and Canada came to such conclusions. The whole world is happy to eat chicken eggs, such a simple, healthy, and not all expensive product. And most importantly, do not forget to subscribe to our channel DocOnline to be updated on how to be naturally healthy and not consume medications.